Yes, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yes, based on the time you are watching this video. Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Versatile Trojan. I'm a YouTuber doing wilderness cooking, DIY videos, and outdoor cooking, just like this here at this outdoor kitchen that I have created. So welcome back to my channel. In case you have not subscribed, kindly do that, because if you don't do that, you're going to miss a lot from this side. Yes, for those who are new here, I'm always insisting to go back to my previous video so that you can see a lot more videos about making this, because this project was done from scratch. I started doing this project from scratch. This area was just empty. There was just this banana tree. I created these hanging logs around here and put this floating garden, what you see in front of you. I created also these raised vegetable beds, and moreover I created that stunning outdoor cooking stove right here. Yes, this one I created it from scratch, up to this point where you are seeing it right now. I created it from scratch. So in case you are new here and you want to know more about this project, kindly go back to my previous video and watch since the first day I started doing this. Yes, in the last video I started designing the pergola and I didn't finish, so today I am going to start where I ended last time, and therefore join me as I proceed doing the work, because it is something that you are not supposed to miss. Yes, it is something that it is not supposed to be missed. Yes, stay with me. In case you have not subscribed, kindly do that and watch my previous video, I insist. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here, because you're the one who keep me doing this each and every day. So stay here till the end as I proceed building my pergola. Yeah. Yes, in the process of making this, I just had a visitor, a normal visitor, my assistant engineer. Yes, he was here trying to help me doing some few stuff. As you can see, he is just trying to mess up. You can see when he saw me hitting by using a hammer, he started hitting the camera. That's how he is. Yes, he's always trying to do the things. He's always trying to imitate what I'm doing. Kai. Yes, so this is the progress of the resting area, the pergola I was telling you about. You can have a look at it. It is not finished yet, but this is the design of the chairs that I wanted to design, but it is not yet complete. As you can see, let me just take you inside. Yes, so I started designing this. These are the armchairs. You can see I just designed them by using the logs that I bought here some few days ago. You can see. So it is going to be a two-seater, and this side is going to be a two-seater. So I'm going to add some more timber here so that we get enough sitting space. So we're going to have one, two, three, four timbers. So even this side we are going to add the same here, and there, so that we get enough space to sit. Yes, you can have a look at it. Yes, it has started taking its shape, though it is not complete yet. For this moment, you can have a seat on it, and it is very stable and comfortable. Yes, and here between, I just want to put a table so that when I finish preparing the food over there, you come here, you sit and eat the food that I have prepared over there. So I'm going to put the table right here, a small table that is going to be used as a simple dining table for people to sit and eat. Yes, and from here you can just have a view of the kitchen and the entire project. From this side you can have a clear view of it. Yes, so that is how the chair looks like right now. So Yes, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for tuning in. So for those who are new here, I still insist you kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and watch my previous videos, because you're going to learn a lot from this side. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for visiting. Thank you so much for always being here. Yes, you mean a lot to me, because you are the one who keep me doing these things more and more each and every day. So thank you so much. Watch my previous videos. In case you have not, you are going to learn a lot from this side, because the whole space you are seeing in front of you right here, starting from this pergola, starting from that outdoor kitchen over there, starting from the hanging logs and the hanging gardens, I did it right here in this channel. You can see, you can watch my previous videos, and you'll find a lot more videos about making this space. And I promised you that in the next episode I'm going to name this kitchen, because I just asked you, some of you, to provide the name for the kitchen, and I'm glad, because I have received a lot of comments suggesting the names of this. So in the next episode I'm going to provide the name for the kitchen, and in case you have any, kindly do that, drop the comment below, and I'm going to pick one of the best names that is going to suit this place. Yes, based on the nature of this place, I'm going to pick. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.